This is a ground. Here we see a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's find the animals and learn their names. The first one is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next animal is. Let's find the next animal. This is elephant. We find elephant. The next one is
Old MacDonald had a farm.
a hen. This is a hen.
And on his farm he had a pig.
The next one is
With
a lion. We find a lion. This is a lion. The next one is a tiger. This is a tiger. A tiger.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
This is a tiger. Let's find the next animal. The next one is a leopard. This is a leopard. The next one is a lioness. This is a lioness. The next animal is a panda. This is a panda. A panda is a wild animal. The next one is a cat. This is a cat. A cat. The next one is a dog. This is a dog. The next one is gorilla. This is gorilla. The next animal is a leopard. This is a leopard. Let's find the next animal. This is a horse. A horse. The next one is a lion. This is a lion. The next one is a cow. This is a cow.